We've all been teenagers and remember those moments of self-doubt, of fear or anxiety, those horrible questions of who are my friends, will I get invited, who am I? Those moments where we have a negative thought that keeps going and going, trying to beat us down. But as teenagers, where do we go to learn the skills to help ourselves feel better? Because they are skills. And right now, our education system, it's simply not equipped. But imagine a world where all teachers had access to the resources and training around mental health and emotional well-being, where teachers had access to the knowledge, the coping strategies, the step-by-step guidance, where they knew what to do for anxiety, where they knew the 4-step process to help negate those negative thoughts and turn them into positive thoughts. Let's not imagine this world. Let's make 2023 the year that we focus on adolescent mental health through empowering teachers. My name is Romi Grossberg and I'm an author, therapist and social emotional educator, and I equip teachers with the resources, the training and the skills in mental health so that they feel confident and empowered and can share this with their students so that all students can lead a socially, emotionally, mentally healthy life. So please, I would love to see you in Austin in 2023, where I can help train as many teachers as possible. Thank you.